Hey guys, Tim and Shauna from Punk Rope, and today's video is about a game that we absolutely adore, and it's called Beachminton. Well, that's the name we gave it anyway. So it's a combination of a paddle ball game, but instead of using a ball, we're going to use a birdie. So Shauna's got a Pro Kadima racket made out of wood, and it's got some tape on it that we actually added. It's just tape that you would put on a tennis racket. So if you like the grip, you might want to do that. Otherwise, you're going to have a plastic handle. And then she's also got a birdie made by a company called Speedminton. And you'll be able to find that pretty easily online. And Minton. It's actually not that easy to say. And so the birdies come in 3 different weights, which correspond to really 3 different speeds, and we would recommend that you go with the slowest birdie. I think it's a more fun game. So we're going to use this game in this year's Punk Rope Games, which is on October 5th, 2024, but that'll be indoors, so it's a little bit harder. But Sean and I are going to do a little demo for you now outdoors. And really the only objective is keep the birdie in the air. So you can be close to your partner if you like. I think we're going to be about 10 feet apart, maybe 15 feet. But you can hit this thing high, you can hit it low, fast, you can dive. We're on artificial turf, so it's pretty safe. But you'll get an idea. Okay, so here we go. We're actually pretty good. That was amazing. Guys, thanks for watching, and thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go out, get yourself a couple of paddles, birdie, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.